If you clicked on this video, it means that you probably have a list of emails like this in front of you and you are wondering how to verify them in bulk. So in this video, I will show you how to do that using the Evaboot bulk email verifier to go from this to this. So to add a column in your file with the email status, safe meaning valid, riskier meaning catch-all, and invalid meaning that the email doesn't exist. So you can see here, I uploaded more than 1600 emails, and for all the emails, I have the status. Here, Evaboot detected that I had 6 invalid emails on my list and 450 risky emails. So if you want to do the same thing, it's really simple. You just go to your file here. You download it as a CSV. It can be a Google Sheet or an Excel file. You go here on Evaboot. So to sign up to Evaboot, you can go to the first link in the description. And once you get on the interface, you click on Email Verifier here, Verify Emails, and you just drag and drop here your file. If you want to just copy paste a list of emails you have like on a Google Doc or a Notion page, for example, you can also do that with the other tab here. If you upload a file, you don't need to match the column. Evaboot will automatically detect which column contain the emails. We will verify the format of the emails to see if they are like all verifiable. And once this is done, you can just click here on Launch Email Finder. It will take between a few minutes and 1 hour if you really have like thousands of emails. But if you have a small list, it should be pretty quick. In terms of performances, what you can expect, if Evaboot says an email is safe, it means that it will have a 3% maximum bounce rate, so 97% deliverability. And if we say the email is risky, you can expect 80% deliverability, so a maximum of 20% bounce rate. So the safe emails, you can shoot them with your main domain, but the risky emails is better like to buy a specific domain for prospecting or for marketing to not harm your domain reputation. By the way, if you are tired to like manually upload list every time, you can also use the Evaboot API if you are a developer yourself or if you have developers in your team. You can go there and then you can do basically the same thing but programmatically. For example, let's say you have a Google Sheet and you could program something that when you upload your list in the Google Sheet, it directly calls the Evaboot API and the verification is done in your file or in your CRM. So if you know how to code or if you are developers in your team, that can save you a lot of time. I left a link to the Evaboot API documentation in the description of this video as well. Here you can see that so the verification is completed. It started at 10:11 and now it's 10:22. So 10 minutes for 1600 emails that you can expect. For more than 2000, you can expect like 15 or 20 minutes. If you want to download these emails, you'll have to spend Evaboot credits. So for one verification, it's 0.5 credits. With Evaboot credits, you can verify emails, but you can also do other things. You can also use the email finder, 1 credit per email verified. You can also enrich LinkedIn URLs, and you can also export leads from Sales Navigator. So basically, if you use Sales Navigator to generate leads and you download the Evaboot Chrome extension, you go to Sales Navigator and you have a small button here. And basically, for example, if you have a list of leads, you just click here and you can also export these leads with emails, and same thing, Evaboot will export the leads, find the emails and verify the emails in one go for you. As you can see here, nothing fancy, it's pretty straightforward. Now the best next step for you is to upload your list and see if Evaboot gives good results on your use case. And if you are also interested in uploading contact details like first name, company domain to find verified professional emails for your leads, you can also take a look at the Evaboot bulk email finder. I present it in this video. So see you there. Ciao.